Congratulations! Your YouTube channel, Franz and Charie, has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube.
Oh my God! Monetize na tayo! Yay!
Seryoso ba to? Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel.
So for this vlog, we will discuss the new step-by-step guide on how to get monetized on YouTube.
So if you want to learn more, then please keep watching till the end of the video.
By the way, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button beside to get notified on our latest uploads.
So without further ado, let's get on with the video.
First of all, open your channel dashboard.
As you can see on your right is a quick summary of how your channel is doing so far.
And on our monetization tab, you can see that there are two minimum requirements to get monetized.
First requirement is you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours for the last 12 months.
YouTube will send you an email once you're eligible to apply.
Several days later.
We're going to visit again our channel. So on the monetization tab, let's see if now we reach the minimum requirements.
So, as you can see, we already have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 public watch hours.
Thus, the Apply Now button is enabled. Once you click it, you can see the 3 steps in order to get monetized. First step is to review partner program terms. Second step is to sign up for the Google Adsense account. And for the last step is for your channel to be reviewed by the YouTube team. So let's focus on the first step, which is to review partner program terms. It is important to read carefully the terms and conditions.
2 hours later.
Although, alam naman namin na nagpapanggap ka lang magbasa, hindi mo naman talaga binasa, accept mo din naman. Now, click accept.
Loading!
Waiting.
More waiting!
Still waiting.
And yay! We're done with the first step! We can now proceed with the second step, which is to sign up for the Google Adsense account. Let's start!
You need an Adsense account to start monetizing and to get paid by YouTube.
We're going to show you what is going to happen if you don't have an existing account yet.
Click No, I don't have an existing account, and then you can learn more about Adsense.
Minutes later.
Now that we're done reading, click Continue. Then you will be redirected with the Google Adsense website.
Wherein you will link your email account and you will be given your very own website.
To get more notifications and tips on Google Adsense, just click Yes.
Now, select your country or territory. Philippines, where are you? Philippines number 1.
So we have another set of terms and conditions that you need to read. So eto na naman po tayo sa mahabang terms and conditions. Pipilitin nating basahin kahit di naman natin masyadong naiintindihan.
Tama na yan, niloloko mo lang din naman yung sarili mo.
346 minutes later.
After all of this stuff, we will click Yes and create account. Then, get started. Now, we will provide the payment address details. For the account type, you can be an individual or a business.
We're gonna write your full legal name, first name, middle name, and surname.
Also, put in your complete address.
Make sure to include your city or municipality. For the postal code, you may search about it if you don't know.
For the province, where is Batangas? Here it is. Oops, Batanes. Batangas naman.
Then you will encode your mobile number. Then click Submit. You will be redirected back to your channel dashboard.
Much later.
As you can see, step 1 is done, step 2 is in progress, and step 3 is not yet started.
Tomorrow for sure.
Upon visiting our Monetization tab, step 1 is done, step 2 is done, so once the second step is done, step 3 will automatically be in progress.
The review process usually takes 2 weeks to 1 month.
2 days later.
Congratulations! Your YouTube channel, Franz and Charie, has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube.
Oh my God! Monetize na tayo! Yay!
Seryoso ba to?
A few moments later.
Here, you can click Learn More to learn about the frequently asked questions once your channel is approved for monetization.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
After reading all of this, you can go back to the channel dashboard and click on the Monetization tab.
Here, you can see the ways on how you can earn by means of video advertising and supers.
Supers are applicable when you are on live streaming and premieres.
When you click Learn More, you can see the details regarding the monetization, as we already discussed some of this a while ago. Now we are recognized as an official YouTube partner. Now, how to turn on your monetization for your videos. On your left, click Videos tab. Click the monetization and make sure that it is on.
Now, here are the types of ads that you can choose on a 10-minute video. Display ads, overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads.
You can place your ads to appear at the beginning, during, and after the video has ended.
Also, you can change the timestamp on where you want your ads to appear on your video.
And now for videos less than 10 minutes.
As you can see, this video is 5 minutes and 25 seconds long. So that means you cannot put ads during the video. You can only place ads at the beginning and at the end of the video.
That's all, folks! That's all for this tutorial. We hope this video helped you in order to get monetized.
So if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions about this tutorial, then don't forget to leave a comment down below.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button beside in order to get notified on our latest uploads. Bye!